In order to insulate the exterior walls of this home, the Energy Geeks crew starts by carefully removing the vinyl siding in just the areas necessary. The vapor barrier is also carefully removed.
It's always good to scar it so that way it doesn't break, crack. It's always good to put your hand here so it breaks nice and easy. So Wayne, if you can, give me a hole right there, please.
As you can see, these walls are completely void of any energy-saving insulation.
So what we're trying to do is get this hose up 8 feet. That's how big our wall is. Once we got the hose up, we're going to stop blowing.
Cellulose insulation is essentially recycled paper, which is treated to be fire retardant and repel pests.
So we're dense packing this bay right now. Now as it's densing, I got to pull my hose out a little bit to give me more space so I can fill more. So it's acting as it denses, I pull it down, now I got more. Just keep repeating the process. So I work the hose out of the hole. Cellulose filled bay is a happy bay. So every little bit in there, no pockets. Come out, it's a nice, dense, packed bay. So then when we take a plug, because now this bay is all set, nice and happy, dense, packed all the way up. Put a plug in there. Take some tape. So now we got a nice sealed hole. And then we'd take our wood shingle, we put this stack up there, so you follow your line. Now that bay is 100% done. Then we would repeat the steps all the way. Now that's smart.